want to have some mutual fund stuff on Morpho. I want to have some single lending stuff on Aave. I want to use some leverage on Contango. If I want to, maybe I want to have some spot holdings, definitely want some liquidity provision in there. That's 7 different strategies. So what I envision here is just having a little drop down with some input boxes, and you could say to it, hey, I want to allocate 100K. I want to use these strategies, and I want to take this amount of risk. How much should I allocate to each of those like sub strategies within my portfolio? And then it would just tell you allocate 15K to LPs, allocate 25K to PTs, allocate 10K to single lending on Aave, allocate 15K to mutual funds, et cetera, et cetera. So I want to automate as much of that portfolio allocation stuff as possible, just that you don't have to think about it. But you're exactly right, and that is the next step. Pretty cool. Yeah, man. This is great. This is so cool. And yeah, Paulo, you're right. I'm working to build an all-weather portfolio, and yeah, man, I'm going to build it every step of the way with you guys. So you're going to see me do it live. And let's see here. So I've got my next call in just a couple of minutes here. It's going to be a live stream, and we're going to go ahead and run through. It's going to be a live stream on YouTube and X, Twitch and Kick. So if you want to join that live, you absolutely can. And I'm going to run through, just technical analysis to wrap up the day. So
just to let you know that was like amazing last one, like 2 days ago.
You mean the TA sessions?
The 8:30, like which is like the daily market wrap you did.
Yeah.
By analyzing the charts and stuff like this and stuff.
Yeah, well, I mean, look at silver, man. Oh my goodness. So I couldn't help myself, you guys. I had to, earlier today, I entered a silver long position over here on Ostium. And I did so very, very small, but let me just share that with you guys real quick. So I entered 3 positions here: long silver, long gold, and long copper. And I did so really small, little bit of leverage. And look, I mean, it's working, but I need more experience using Ostium, because there are always like little quirks with these perp dexes. And yeah, so I mean, look, this is working, of course, but I want to be able to roll up my stops. So now that I've got an unrealized profit on this silver position, I really just want to be able to lock in a profit no matter what. And I don't know, you see how it says take profit is too small? Why is my take profit too small? All I want to do is roll up my TP, or okay, so that's the take profit. Maybe I'm just doing this incorrectly. Okay, so I just need to roll up the stop, not the take profit. Got it. 7. Sweet. Awesome. Okay. So I can go ahead. I don't know if that's a little bit too tight. I just want to make sure that I at least lock in a profit, but I don't want to get stopped out. So there we go. I can update that. And I've got my wallet connected here. So I'm just going to go ahead, and in the 5 minutes that I've got before that TA session, I just want to go ahead here and roll up those stops so that I can lock in a gain on all 3 of those positions that I entered just earlier today. All right. And, the guys at Tasty Trade, they always say trade small, trade often. And so if I'm, trading small with a small amount of leverage, and I'm very, very cautious with my TPs and my stops, hey, man, I think that I can do pretty well over here. So let's see.
What's the killer of genius?
I don't know. What is it, Ramsey?
The size.
Yeah, you're telling me.
It's always like the killer. Even like a smartest man or trader or woman, like it's your size need to be checked all the time. So small is good. Good.
Small is good. Look at that. 49.56. Okay, so I entered. What was my entry on this? On gold, 49.50 is this. Okay, 48.83. So I'm thinking maybe something like 4,900. I'll just bring that stop up to 4,900 and update the stop so that at the very least, if something were to go wrong, I would be locking in a profit. It would basically just cover all of the expenses on entry and exit. So at least I can't lose now.